Hi guys, Tom here. A quick video answering a question I saw online. How do you change the speedometer from kilometers per hour to miles per hour? That's a fairly easy solution, so we'll do it real quick. First, turn the bike on. The ignition's on. As you can see, it's currently reading miles per hour. This lower left button, if you hold the button, you see now it reads kilometers per hour. Now, if you don't want kilometers per hour, which was the original question, how to change it back to miles per hour, once again, press and hold the button. Bingo. So now it's in miles per hour. Real quick, easy fix. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them below. Appreciate your time. Later.